it is it's actually 7:43 p.m. and I didn't see anything or hear anything. Of course, I had some loud music that was playing not far from where I'm hunting at. Yeah, so I'm pretty sure that's why I didn't see any deer. It was hot, as y'all can tell. And probably can see mosquitoes flying around and stuff. But yeah, it's it's a hot day. I'm headed to my house right now. I'm about probably about 45 minutes away. Maybe a little longer depending on traffic, but I might go out tomorrow, not sure. But thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, Ghost Tomorrow's out.